Okay, at this moment, we are about to record the belching abilities of Heidi Hoover. This is January 1st, 1990, at the student body overnighter. 1991. Okay, Heidi, this is your chance to make your mark. Wow, that was pretty good. Thank you, Heidi. We have Jon Darrah now getting ready to belch. Okay, Jon, there's your distance. Please mark your distance.
Hold on. I'm working on it.
Oh, somebody's
Milli
Vanilli out there.
I lost it.
Okay, here we have Bryon Bell belching. All right, very good. Chad Schumacher belching. Oh, what a wimpy belch. Here we have Alan Nolt belching. Oh, that was beautiful, beautiful. This is Benji Moody belching. Outstanding belch from Benji Moody. Okay, here we go. Josh Johnson belching. Wow, nice tone in the beginning. Kind of got a little thin at the end, but still a good quality belch. That was it. Jon Darrah. Here he is. Oh, man, Jon. That was about the wimpiest burp. I have my little 6-month-old niece burps better than that. Here we go. Aaron Hartzler belching.
It's stuck.
Uh-oh, his belch froze. Aaron, we'll try again later. Okay, now it has to be now for Josh Kiba. Oh, what a wimp of a belch. Chrissy Simonton. Okay, that's it.